Now we've got our fuel injection oil back on again. 3 little 10s here. And we've got the manifold all tightened up. And don't forget to put the gasket in here for the pipe over here, the water pipe. So that's just to go on before the head goes on. So put the wee gasket on there, a wee bit of Loctite the holder there, and put a little gasket on there, goes in there. And we're going to tighten up the alternator bracket and put on the top hose connector as well, so we'll tighten that up, and a wee bit of Loctite on the joint there. And we'll tighten it all up now, and then we'll put the buckets in, the camshaft buckets. That's our next step, and the head will be ready to go on. So we have the gasket installed there now, it's ready to set on. That's our next operation now, our Toyota Thunderhead gasket repair. So all of our cam buckets are back in again. Now we'll clean the head stud now with a wire brush. So get all the threads, we clean the wire brush, then our head ends ready for the back on again. And our gasket's in place here. And that's our next step. Now our head's on now. We're going to use torque spanner here to tighten up the Thunderhead bolts. And use the 10mm spline socket here. So we'll set the torque spanner at 22 pounds-feet and tighten it from centre out. And then plus 90. That's the setting according to the information that came with the gasket. Or you can check with your repair manual for the Toyota 4E6 4EFE. Now, that's our head tightened. Next operation now, put the camshafts on. That's our next step. Next step now, when we install the camshafts here, a wee drop of oil on all the journals here. Just in there. Install the caps here nice and evenly. So upon the 5 caps, we'll tighten them up and set up the cam timing in and put in the second camshaft. That's our next step. Now, bolts all tightened up there, just get a spanner here. We'll turn the cam here the whole way around. And we'll see the 2 marks line up again. So when you're putting the head together, keep the pistons down in the shoulder wall. When you're putting the head gasket on any car, keep the pistons always down, so you won't damage the valve when your cam goes in. So you'll note that when we changed the gasket, we kept the pistons away down. And there you can see the 2 little dots there lining up across here. That's the valve kind of set up here now. So a dot there, a dot here, the 2 wheels, they line up on the shortest point. You can see it there and there. So that's the timing set up here now, the valve timing. I'll tighten it up, double check all the caps again. And you can see there, the caps are all marked. And a little arrow goes towards the camshaft. So don't mix them up. Otherwise the cam won't turn freely. The arrow goes to the front. And they're all marked there anyway. You can see there, they'll all point towards the front of the engine. So that's our camshafts on now. We'll just retighten all them bolts. You can check all the wee 10mm bolts here. That's our next step. Now we're at this time belt here. Put a QH belt on her. And when you're tuning a head gasket, all better change the old time belt here as well. So they're lined up in here. A little hole there in the lines up the wee nick in the cap there. And mark down there. So I'm lined up in there, and she's lined up here, so that's the belts on now. Now check the valve timing as well, everything's okay now, on top dead centre. So next operation, I put the valve cover on, timing cover on, and with all the rest of the bits and bobs on the side, the bare filter box there and the coils and the rest of the bits and bobs, so it's just coming along not so bad. And the rest are sampled up, and we'll change the oil in and fill it with coolant. We're final stages, and put the alternator back on again. So that's our next operation in our Toyota Aventus head gasket repair. Now I have our car up together now, so everything's on now. Checked and rechecked. Lead back in the battery again. Fill it with coolant, change the oil and filter. Now I'll give her a wee swing now, see what she does. Oh, away she goes. Like a picture head gasket job down her.